am with Mr. Kalender from Tamke Technics, and he's going to give us a few words about Correa. Mr. Kalender, tell me about why did you choose to work with Correa?
Yeah, we met Correa first time 3 years ago, and we were very convinced because the whole team in Germany and especially in Burgos was very good, very helpful. The service was pretty good and they answered all our questions in time, and so we had a very good feeling with Correa.
How many machines do you have right now?
We right now have one machine, one big AXIA 160, and we will receive two more machines, one XPERTA and one FENIX. And so we have two subsidiaries, and so we want to have a Correa machine at each subsidiary because we want to have the same system, the same control, and so that our workers feel well and feel well with the machine.
I think that you just said it, but I will ask the question anyway, like how is the performance of your Correa machine? How are you feeling with that machine right now?
Yes, we feel very good with our machine, but right now, so we started with the machine in June, and to say quite open, we have to learn with the machine. So it's quite new for us, and we never before had such a big machine and with such a modern control. And so our people have to, we now invest a lot of training, but we have a very good feeling with the machine.
In this learning process, how has been the support that Correa has given you?
Yes, we have a hotline with Correa and with Mr. Dombrovsky from Correa in Germany. And so if we have a question, we always receive a very fast an answer or the support. And this is very good for us because for us this world with such a big machine is quite new.
And yesterday I was talking with Javier about the philosophy that Correa has, and how they get to know the client before they even talk about the machines, like know all your process, all what you do to see if these machines are your perfect fit. So did you enjoy that process of getting to know the whole company and all this research? Does this make you feel confident about picking this brand?
Yeah. So from the first contact, it was everything was very professional. So especially then we visited Burgos in Spain, so the main factory, and so we had a very good feeling, and all the demonstrations of the machine, of the control, and everything was very professional, and so then we were convinced to buy this machine.
Thank you so much for this testimonial, Mr.